Assalamualaikum, this is Mariam Ehsan and I'm an architecture engineer at NZ. So today's videos is all about that how you can transform your small office space into an executive room. So start from the feature wall. As you can see, there are different materials that has been added in the wall along with different texture, like the marble one. So most of you guys think it's the tile, but let me tell you one thing, it's not a tile. We have substitute for this in the market and that we have added in our design, that is the MDF sheet. The rest of the wall is also designed by using the same MDF sheet like in the border, in the center with grooves and in the plasma wall as well. Now the design element that makes this wall more attractive is this 3D element and its lighting that makes it very classy with the rest of the ambience. Now moving towards the plasma wall, the same MDF design that has been added in this with the sleek and the clean lines that we have designed in the feature wall. Here we have some sitting space in which we have added some customized artwork. Yes, that's the painting. And some decor articles that make this room more classy and more elegant. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the interior designed by NZ.